Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G42, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. You need to begin by opening Settings. Now click on Connected Devices and select Pair New Device. Now you just need to wait for available ones to show, and when they do, click on the chosen one. In order to continue, select Pair in this pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, you can do that by clicking on this little gear icon next to the device and then selecting Forget. Lastly, you need to choose Forget Device in this pop-up. If you want to connect to it again, just select Pair New Device, tap on it and do exactly the same. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!